Hey guys, Tech Series here, and today we're going to do the LCD alarm clock. This clock here is from Miniso, Japan, and if you can see here, it's a see-through clock. Back here it uses two AAA batteries, and these two buttons here are for setting up the time and others. If you can see here, it shows the time, the day, date and year. If you flip over on this side, it shows the temperature, and if you want to see in Fahrenheit, you can just click this button here. See in Fahrenheit, and this way it shows a countdown, and you can set up in many ways. Now I set up in 20 seconds, and here's the alarm clock. This material is made out of plastic. Diameter is 92 millimeters. It weighs 50 grams. Length is 140 millimeters. Width is 40 millimeters. Now I'm gonna show you how loud the sound the alarm is. Wait for 20 seconds. I'm gonna put the speaker nearby. You can see it's not as loud. So it's not that good for an alarm. This clock doesn't work, it just shows that this side is for clock, and even for this side, this is for the temperature. It's not working. Now this clock is for $20. Links in the description if you want to buy one. Please like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time.